The colors of the ELVIAL collection for the year 2022 have been updated at ELVIAL Soft. There are some colors that have been removed from the collection. These mainly concern specific anodizing colors as well as would effect powders. The list of relevant colors has been sent in the form of a newsletter to the users of ELVIAL Soft. In this video clip, we will show you what exactly this abolition of colors means for ELVIAL Soft, and how it affects existing constructions. There is also a number of colors that have changed category. As you will notice, this change does not concern the billing category, but the availability status, our favorite or express. Therefore, this change will not affect the costing of existing projects. So let's see now how the abolition of colors affects already created constructions in ELVIAL Soft. In our example, there are 3 constructions created before the last update. In typologies 1 and 3, the colors selected are from the list of those that have been removed. In typology 2, the selected color is among those that have changed category due to different availability status. As we will notice, if we get any estimation report, for example material analysis, without making any changes, the program will continue to give us the old color and estimate it according to the data we had provided. This is done without any warning, so that the customer can continue his work without any inconvenience. However, special care is needed when ordering profiles, as the requested color may not be produced. Of course, to avoid misunderstandings, it should be noted that the abolished colors will not appear in any new construction. The same thing will happen if we ask for the project to be calculated again, with the option New Piece Lists. What we will notice is that the name of the color changes. Its description is removed and only the code remains. Beyond that, however, no change is made in our constructions, and as we will see immediately, the analysis of materials continues to give us the chosen color at what price we have given it. What we suggest as ELVIAL, however, is to change the color in the typologies, so that there is no problem with ordering the profiles. This can be done in various ways, en masse. The simplest is the one we show you now. Here we will notice that the removed colors initially appear in our list, but without a description. At this point, we need to choose another color of the collection. Next, let's look at the case where a color changed category. Here, we notice that the color AMOS 7022 appears in the category Our Favorite, which is the old, but without description. If we now search for that color, we will see that it now appears in the new category, the Express category. At the same time, it continues to appear without description in the old category, something that will disappear as soon as we choose to execute the change. As mentioned above, the category change in this update only concerned the color availability status, with no change in the charge category. This means that we could not deal with updating the colors of old projects. However, we emphasize again that, for the removed colors, the updating and selection of a new one from the list of available is necessary for the correct execution of the profile order.